Could one of the most popular human muscle supplements actually help aging dogs? The answer is maybe, but the science is a little more complicated than you think. So branched chain amino acids, or BCAAs, they include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. And unlike most of the amino acids, they're metabolized primarily in skeletal muscle, making them attractive for preserving lean muscle mass. The star of the group is leucine. Leucine activates a cellular pathway called mTOR, which acts like a switch, telling muscle cells to increase muscle protein synthesis. And in humans, this is one reason leucine-rich protein, or BCAAs, those supplements are marketed for muscle growth. So does the same thing happen in dogs? Well, here's what the research says. Healthy dogs eating a complete, balanced commercial diet are generally not deficient in branched chain amino acids. Most high-quality dog foods already exceed the nutritional requirements established by AAFCO. That means that adding extra branched chain amino acids to healthy adult dogs has not consistently been shown to increase muscle mass or performance. But where branched chain amino acids become much more interesting to me is in specific clinical situations like sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, senior dogs who lose lean body weight mass even when their body weight stays the same. Researchers are investigating whether increasing the high-quality protein and leucine intake may help stimulate muscle protein synthesis in those groups. However, current evidence suggests that adequate total protein intake may be more important than simply just adding branched chain amino acids. Recovery from illness or surgery is another important topic. Critical illness increases muscle breakdown. Those animals also aren't eating as much, and so those muscles aren't getting sufficient amounts of branched chain amino acids or protein in general. We may want to use them to help support recovery, but veterinary nutritionists typically recommend complete high-protein nutritional support rather than isolated branched chain amino acid supplementation. How about the working and athletic dogs? Sled dogs, military dogs, hunting dogs, and agility dogs, they all experience tremendous metabolic demands. Some studies suggest amino acid supplementation may reduce muscle protein breakdown during prolonged exercise, but the evidence specifically supporting isolated branched chain amino acid supplements still remains limited in dogs. Here's something many people don't realize. Muscle isn't built from branched chain amino acids alone. To actually build new muscle tissue, dogs require all of the amino acids. And so for muscle protein synthesis, that may slow even if leucine levels are extremely high. Think of leucine as turning on the construction crew. But if the bricks never arrive, nothing is going to get built. So could there be a downside to using branched chain amino acids? Possibly. Large amounts of those branched chains imbalance all of the other amino acids, and very high leucine intake may compete with